I'm Dr. Antidove, Principal, Ambition School, Parao, Varanasi, and I want to thank Astrospace Research Cube Pvt Limited for conducting wonderful workshop on rocket designing and development. Praiseworthy are the efforts of the trainers, Mr. Satvik and Ms. Kamna, as they reached out to the students and helped them to explore the possibilities in space research. Could see their initiatives making the students capable of exploring, researching, and doing the projects they assigned. So it was really amazing and children loved it. So thanks once again Astrospace Research Cube Pvt Limited, and I'm looking forward in future also to have such workshops so that the children they dream to explore the space. Thank you once again. Thank you so much.